welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today we will be randomizing the target points or waypoints for the character here, the artificial intelligence. As you can see, we currently have the character moving in order to the 4 points in a loop. But what if we wanted to randomize these target points that the AI decides to go to? Instead of a patrol, some kind of randomized order of target points. So to achieve that, we're going to want to take a look inside the blueprint of this AI character we've created from the last video. So currently it's hardwired to patrol to the 4 points and then repeat all the way back to the beginning. So how we could go about this would be to randomize these points with an array. So we can get our waypoint 1, waypoint 2, waypoint 3, and waypoint 4. You can line them up here. And we can make array. And that will create this node here, which we can add to by clicking the plus and then attach all of these. We've created an array, and now out of this array we want to get think it's a copy, and we will use a random integer here. Drag out from this integer node, and we will type random integer in range. Could do a minimum 0, maximum 3 for this array here. So I'm going to pick one of these randomly. And the output, we will make each of these waypoints. And the final one. So we've replaced the waypoints that are hardwired with these waypoints here that are randomized. So compile and save. And we can take a look and see what this is now doing. So it's randomly selecting waypoints to go to from those 4. And this is pretty effective in kind of creating a random element to your game to sort of change things up for gameplay mechanics. So we walk around, we can see that the NPC character is deciding on different waypoints, and they are all individually selected at any given time. And there's pretty much the same chance, an equal chance, that they will pick any of the points. So yeah, that's basically how you could do random points from an array, target points, for your non-playable characters on their patrols. And one thing we could do, we can check and see if there is smooth rotation on this character. We'll go to the character movement, go to orient, rotation to movement, so it's not turned on. We're going to want to turn this on. Compile and save, and then in the character we can look for yaw, and we can use controller rotation yaw. We can turn that off. Compile and save, and we'll see what that does in the simulation. And now the character is rotating smooth, which looks a little bit unnatural at times when he's moving really fast, but overall it's going to give it a better rotation.